guys are doing well. So there's one thing that I would like to share with everyone that we sometimes get to a point where we don't know whether we're moving backwards or forward. But with the baby steps and with the little that you do on a daily basis, you have to highly believe that those steps are the right steps that you're moving in. You have to believe that this is the right decision that I'm making. You have to believe that these tiny steps are the right steps that will get me to where I want to be, or that will move me in the direction that I want to move in. And when you believe, you can confidently repeat that without having any doubt. So even the day you don't know which direction you headed to, but you will still be moving forward. It doesn't matter how big or small the steps are.